An undercover U.S. law enforcement officer was given $15,000, described by the U.S. Justice Department as cash advance payment, by an associate of Nikhil Gupta, who is accused of attempting to kill Sikh separatist in car in Manhattan Borough, New York City, USA. June 9, 2023. In a photo. Obtaining licensing rights New York. November 29, an Indian government official led failed plot to assassinate a Sikh separatist who was also citizen on U.S. soil, the Justice Department said on Wednesday. Federal prosecutors Manhattan said Nikhil Gupta, 52, worked with an Indian government employee whose responsibilities included security and intelligence, in a plot to assassinate the New York City resident who defended a sovereign Sikh state northern India. Prosecutors did not name Indian official or target, but described latter as a U.S. citizen of Indian descent, and U.S. authorities named him as Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, a dual citizen of United States and Canada. Gupta was arrested by Czech authorities in June and is awaiting extradition. The defendant conspired from India to assassinate, here in New York City, a U.S. citizen of Indian origin who openly advocated the creation of a sovereign state for Sikhs, said Damian Williams, Manhattan's lead federal prosecutor. The charges come after senior Biden administration officials said last week that U.S. officials had thwarted plot to kill Sikh separatists in the U.S. and issued warning to India over concerns that the government in New Delhi was involved. The issue very sensitive for India and the Biden administration, which is trying to establish closer relations against a rising China that perceived as a threat to both democracies. India's embassy in Washington and foreign ministry did not immediately respond to requests for comment. But earlier Wednesday Indian Foreign Ministry said New Delhi would formally investigate concerns raised by United States. The ministry promised to take necessary follow-up steps on the findings of the panel set up on November 18, adding, India takes such inputs seriously as they also harm our national security interests. White House National Security Council spokeswoman Adrienne Watson said after defendant credibly indicated that he was referred by an Indian government official. We took information very seriously and engaged in direct discussions with the Indian government at highest level to express our concern. The government India has been clear to us that they take this seriously and will investigate, he said, adding we will continue to expect accountability from Government of India based on the results. Investigations. A senior U.S. administration official emphasized that India is an important strategic partner with which the U.S. is pursuing an ambitious agenda to expand cooperation. As partners, we expect the Indian government to cease such activities in the United States and cooperate as investigations progress. An Indian official aware of matter but not authorized speak to